Now I would like to introduce the faculty speaker, Lorraine Marchand. Lorraine Marchand is the General Manager of Life Sciences at IBM Watson Health and has 3 decades of experience in new product development for Fortune 500 companies, including Bristol Myers Squibb and Covance, as well as several startups she's co-founded and mentored. She teaches in this Katz School Biotechnology Management and Entrepreneurship program and at the Columbia Business School. She is also the author of The Innovation Mindset, 8 Essential Steps to Transform Any Industry. Please help me welcome Lorraine Marchand.
Provost Botman, Dean Russo, colleagues, guests, but above all, 2022 Katz School graduates. Having an opportunity to say a few words to you this morning is truly an honor. It's very meaningful to me as a professor, a parent, an author, and a business executive in the world of STEM. I'd like to tell you why. The Katz School is built on a foundation of innovation and championing of women in STEM, starting with its founders. The Katzes behind the Katz School were a husband and wife partnership. Mordecai Katz was an aerospace executive and a passionate believer in the value of education. Monique Katz was a practicing radiologist for nearly 60 years. She graduated in 1963 from YU's College of Medicine. I can only imagine what Dr. Katz must have experienced as a female practitioner in what was then most assuredly a male-dominated profession. I came into healthcare a generation later, but things had not entirely changed. Early in my career, I was a science writer at the National Institutes of Health. It was an exciting time to be at the NIH. It was the era of blockbuster therapies for cardiovascular disease, and it was the beginning of genomic medicine. Now, my dad taught me what I know a lot of the parents in the room have taught you, to always do the very best job I possibly could, and to be a problem solver. The problem solving was my interest in the innovation process, the focus of much of my work, and the basis of my book, The Innovation Mindset. So there I was, trying to do just that in the 90s at the NIH. I was interviewing the scientists and communicating the amazing advances that were unfolding in medicine, science, and technology. I was proud to be part of the NIH and committed to doing the best job I could. Now, one day, a male colleague took me aside. He told me that my efforts had received the attention of senior people in the Institute. Oh, I thought, thank you for sharing that recognition with me. Then he told me that I should stop. Stop working so hard. Why? In so doing, I was making him look bad. Now, at the same time, I observed that NIH clinical trials were only being conducted in middle-aged white men. Now, of course, research conducted in men had shown us that men were at very high risk for heart attacks. But we know today that cardiovascular disease is one of the main causes of death among women and people of color. I observed a problem. We needed a clinical research system and a workplace that included and welcomed all people. And we needed it because it could help us scale for the pace of scientific advances and get therapies to patients in need much more effectively. I decided to work that problem that I was going to dedicate my career to it and that I was going to tackle it from different angles. And that's what I've done for the last 30 years, transforming the process of developing new drugs and helping to bring novel healthcare products and services to market at companies such as Bristol Myers Squibb, LabCorp Covance, IBM Watson Health, and at startups that I've founded as well as mentored. I've also studied the men and women who've done similar things in their fields. In my book, The Innovation Mindset, I profiled innovators from various fields. As diverse as their achievements are, I found them inspiring in the same way that I am inspired by our Katz school graduates today. In the courses I teach at Katz, I see a growing number of bright young women and men who aspire to be innovators and entrepreneurs in the sciences, medicine, and technology. I am truly excited by the new products that you will realize, create, and bring forward. Katz students embody the innovation mindset. It means a driving curiosity, it means a passion for problem solving, and a welcoming attitude toward change. In the not too distant past, when Dr. Monique Katz was starting a career that would culminate in the endowment of this very school, it was believed that such a mindset, such skills were the province of men. I stand before you today as a testament to the falsehood of that idea. But more importantly, as I look out at our graduates today, I am proud, and I know your parents and families are proud too, of what it is you are going to accomplish. I believe that your futures are bright, our futures are bright, the future of innovation is bright. I wish you all the best as you shape your futures, and I thank you for the honor of being able to address you this morning on this very important day.